Okay, first try on this one. What I did is connected only 4 batteries to limit the speed and limit everything, and this should be very powerful. So I will be sitting on this because I didn't have a chance to get a chair yet, but it will be of course later. And on the back I put heavyweight wheels that can lift a heavy weight, and there is a wood plate connected to the aluminum chassis, and this is the first run. I hope nothing will burn, and it is all limited. So let's see how it is carrying me on it. My weight is about close to 90 kilograms. So let's see. Powering on. As you can see, it can carry me easily and no problem about power, and the power is limited. Okay, so we will get back to fix the chair and other thing and retest it.